The EasyCom Queen Bed Frame impresses with its built-in charging headboard, featuring USB ports and AC outlets to conveniently power your devices. A standout feature is the smart LED lighting, which can be controlled through an app or remote, offering various modes like RGB dynamic and music mode to enhance your bedroom's ambiance. Constructed with heavy-duty metal support slats and reinforced legs, this bed frame ensures stability and offers a generous underbed clearance for extra storage. The upholstered design, wrapped in breathable and durable gray linen fabric, provides a comfortable and noise-free sleeping experience, thanks to the EVA underlay, reducing metal friction. Setting up EasyCom Queen Bed Frame is a breeze, with clearly labeled components and detailed instructions, making the assembly process straightforward. EasyCom's reliable customer service is available around the clock to assist with any inquiries or issues, ensuring a smooth and satisfying purchase experience.